Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy M12. This is a new budget phone from Samsung. It has 90Hz display, which is the main feature of this phone. I got this at a price of around $150 US. It comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. As you can see here, I already opened the box. Inside here we have the paperwork. And surprising enough, on budget phones, Samsung still includes a charger. This one is a fast charger and it's good for this phone, considering this phone has a big battery of 5000 milliamperes. The fast charger, it's a nice touch from Samsung. Considering the colors available for this phone, as you can see, I've went with the blue one. It looks nice and it has some stripes on the back. Now, looking at the phone and feeling it, this is basically an A12 but with a 90Hz display. This is the main difference between these two phones. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see the video comparison between A12 and M12. Now we go on settings, and in display we see the motion smoothness. It's set to adaptive, which is 90Hz. Also we have the standard version, 60Hz. I want to mention the camera here a little bit. We have a main camera of 48 megapixels and the maximum video quality of this phone is 1080p with 30 frames per second. Of course, we have different shooting modes, but it's a nice camera overall. I won't say it's great even though it's 48 megapixels. Now, being a newer phone from A12, we have a slightly better RAM and storage management on this phone. As you can see, this phone is running Android 11 with One UI 3.1. If you are looking to buy this phone, this is not a gaming phone. It has an average performance and a big battery, but this is not a phone for gaming or great camera. This is a phone for daily tasks, and the battery being big, it will last you all day long. If you just want a phone to watch YouTube or a phone for a kid to mess around with it, this is the perfect phone. The display is an LCD display and it's not expensive. So with that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.